Function tag on soldering-free fix rear camera mismatch and camera pop-up problem. Luban L3 tag on wide-angle camera repair cable. Operation demonstration. This phone has had its rear camera replaced. A message about an unknown part has removed the rear camera directly. Reboot your phone. Tag on wide-angle camera repair cable. Remove the loop and programmer. Attach the rear camera. Take out your cell phone. Connecting your cell phone to the loop and programmer. In the presence of the stock rear camera. Using the scanner app, scanning doubling camera QR code. Successful scanning will bring up the rear camera code. Start entering the readout rear camera code. Uploaded successfully. Write successfully. Remove the rear camera. Unconnecting the device. Install the rear camera with the information written on it. Boot up test. The hint of unknown parts has disappeared. The camera functions normally.